Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Miranda Lambert's Wildcard Tour, which wrapped up its first North American leg, right before the coronavirus venue shutdowns. Steve Jennings chats with the audio crew on creating the live sound for this country sensation. Our tech feature continues the insights of the legendary John Ergel on understanding sound changes due to distance, humidity, summation, directivity, and more. These are tough times, and Steve Lacera discusses career-building strategies for improving your professional skill set while sheltering in place. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on head-worn microphones, and we present nearly 24 high-performance alternatives to handheld or lavalier microphones, offered in both headband and ear-worn varieties. In the biz, Dan Daly looks at COVID-19's implications on the audio manufacturing community. We also take Sennheiser's flagship universal in-ear monitors out for a test drive, with an added bonus thanks to the company's 75th anniversary celebration. And in Sound Sanctuary, our man in the pews, John McJunkin, offers essential advice for creating great audio mixes for the virtual world beyond those empty pews.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.